I'm making one of my absolute favorite dishes, fava. Fava in Greek means puree of yellow split peas. I just want to cook my onions a little bit. For me, it's one of the finest dishes in the entire cuisine, despite its absolute simplicity. It is so elegant, it's so nutty and flavorful. You can pair it with almost anything. I'm ready to add my yellow split peas. My onions are nice and soft. I add a little bit of bay leaf to my split peas. I'm gonna add my water, and the whole idea is to add enough water to cover the yellow split peas, by about an inch or so. This will absorb the water. It's cooked kind of the way risotto is cooked. You add the water in increments. This will absorb up to anywhere between 8 and 12 cups of water by the end of the cooking. It starts to foam up. You want to get some of that foam off. How do you know that this really simple dish is done? You want these pothole-type bubbles on the surface of the fava, and you can see that's going on a little bit. This is the stage where you have to be a little careful because you don't want it to burn. I'm gonna turn this off, and just remember, remove the bay leaves. And we're gonna puree it together with a little bit of lemon juice and a lot of olive oil. I use an immersion blender. If you don't have one, you can use a blender, you can use a food processor, it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna strain a little bit of the lemon juice in here. We don't want the pits, obviously. What we want to end up with is something that's really, really smooth. I'm gonna add olive oil now. A little bit of salt. That is so good. It's really earthy, it's really nutty, it's beautifully acidic. There's just enough lemon juice in there. And the olive oil has made the texture really silky. You can serve this hot, warm, at room temperature, or even cold. I like to cool it down by placing a towel over it. I'm gonna serve it with a Santorini-inspired fish dish, maybe the little assyrtiko and capers.